Hello everyone. So my husband did check with pulmonary embolism because of too much pressure or the lungs. Uh, he's coughing a lot harder that last 1 month or two. That's why he had his embolism in the lungs, and doctor gave us 20 milligram initially for first 2 weeks, and then once in the morning and once in the evening, and the following third week we reduced to Xarelto or Rivaroxaban Xarelto 10 milligrams. That is 10 milligrams for 3 months, and later on it was diagnosed as pulmonary fibrosis. And my husband doubt that it was because of asbestos chemical exposure during the Navy. I'm sorry about my voice because I'm hoarse. Not hoarse, yeah, tigidig tigidig. But like my voice is, I'm coming from a hard cough. So yeah, that's our journey. And for me, I really wanted to have a second opinion, but we didn't have a chance to do that because he had COPD and fibrosis. I wanted to know what makes him COPD really, asbestos or the smoking, but it didn't prove. Finally, sorry about my dogs. Oh my god, I will need to improve my English soon, and my voice is very bad today.